the liquor store, I rock the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna. It looks like I had that sweet. I must stay because coffee is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know it's getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Everything fine, it's all good, man. Me and your family's swinging in the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita, all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.